Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall and wake up your body. Reach up high and stretch wide. Lean to the side and lengthen. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lift halfway and straighten your spine. Push back and stretch your legs. Lift one leg and stay balanced. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Step forward and open your hips. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Rise up and feel strong. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch wide and stay steady. Reach back and wake your side body. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Stretch long and feel tall. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit low and power your legs. Hold plank and feel strong. Lift chest and open your heart. Press down and build strength. Balance tall like a tree. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lean forward and stay steady. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.